Welcome back to Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make a chocolate mousse. This recipe, it takes some time, but it's pretty simple. I'm going to get all my yolks in this small bowl and my whites in the mixer carefully. I don't want to put any yolk in this white bowl because we're making mousse and I need to whip the whites till they're stiff. That's going to be difficult if I get yolks in it. These eggs haven't been sitting out for long, which is good. Got a clean and dry bowl. You don't want any contamination in there. And I botched that top shell. Kind of use the side to break it. Well, the yolk. I mean the white, to break up the whites. Oh no. If you break it, just put it into the yolks. Alrighty. Alright, y'all, we need a third cup of sugar into the yolks, and we are going to mix that for 1 minute. While I'm whisking this together for a minute, I'm going to have the mixer whisk up these whites for me. It's gonna be, well, that way it's gonna mix the air. Might want to put it up first. There we go. Put it on 2 and we'll get this going. Let's check it. Check it. Could go a little longer. We're almost there. I've got 1 3/4 cup of heavy cream in this pot. We're going to warm it up. Put it on super low. Check these. Pretty good. That'll do it. I think that's all we need the mixer for. We'll see. Careful with this. This is the smallest pot I have at the moment. Shoot. Okay, y'all, hold up. This is actually funny. I can't see very well, especially the tiny numbers on a recipe. And it says 1 1/4 heavy cream, not 1 3/4. So it's actually kind of funny. I'm gonna have to just set this heavy cream aside. I'm glad I didn't let it get too hot. Add a little more. Okay, I'm gonna have to set this bit aside. It's only half a cup. That's why we always reread the recipe, y'all. Alrighty, perfect timing to save that. Alright, I'm gonna clean the bottom of this up. Alright, let's pour 1 1/4 in. Turn our heat back on. Very low. The layout of this recipe, it's not my favorite, but I suppose it makes sense. But the egg whites can be a little finicky sometimes. You want that bowl clean, dry, no yolks in the whites. Can be a little particular sometimes. Alright, y'all, the recipe says to heat your heavy cream until just steaming. It's starting to steam. Then you want to cut the heat and continuously stir your chocolate. I also think they want a chocolate bar. I don't have a chocolate bar. I have chocolate chips, dark chocolate instead of semi-sweet, and I just pulled them out of the fridge. Whoops. So hopefully they melt fast enough, but this is steaming pretty good. So I'm going to cut the heat and pour these chocolate chips in. If you need, it says you can turn the heat back on. So we're going for it, y'all. It's splashing. Oh. Just do it. And it's starting to melt, so it should hopefully melt good. Oh my goodness. I've made this before. My family loved it. You can see it kind of looks like chocolate milk now. Oh, it smells good. Chocolatey smell now. So we want this to cool for about 30 minutes until it's cool to the touch. After we've got it combined, before we combine the ingredients. Oh yeah, y'all, there we go. This melted way better than the first time I made it. I think I was just nervous to burn the chocolate or something. That's beautiful. There's a lot at the bottom, so I want to make sure that's incorporated. From that to that, y'all, beautiful. We've been craving a delicious chocolatey dessert, so we are going to get one, y'all. This mousse is so it's worth the effort. This chocolate is thickening right up because that chocolate's melting. Scrape the bottom and we'll check. We still got a couple clumps, but it's mostly good. This is the smallest pot I have. A couple little chunks, but we're pretty much good. This would be great to make for a birthday, Valentine's Day, anniversary. It's so decadent, delicious. Can dip strawberries in it. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's so good. I might have made this for our anniversary or Valentine's Valentine's Day. I don't remember, but it was so good. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. A little bitter because it's dark, but it is incredible. All right, y'all. Actually, we're supposed to pour this slowly into the egg yolk sugar mixture. So we're going to slowly add that, loosen this back up, slowly add in this while we whisk this mixture. Wow, I grabbed that without it dripping. This silicone mat hopefully will help. Oh yeah. I'll take care of that in a minute. Hopefully I didn't pour that in too fast. Beautiful. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit. All right, y'all. Try to get that chocolate off. All right, y'all. We're going to set this aside to cool. Dang it, I did it again. I'll probably just keep this spatula because I need to fold this stuff together in a minute. All right, y'all. We'll set that aside to cool and keep working. All right, y'all. This is cool to touch. It has been chilling. I just set it aside on the table. Now I'm going to give these. I had to do the dishes. I'm going to give these egg whites another whip. Hopefully they're not ruined because they did separate a little bit. I don't know, y'all. No, I think they're okay. Flop a little bit. I'm gonna try to whip it again. Much better. Alrighty. We're going to mix a third of this into this chocolate mixture. This is so creamy and delicious. We're gonna mix a third of this into the chocolate. Fold it. Kind of looks like it might be grainy, but I don't think it actually is. Couple streaks is fine. At least it was in the sink. Continue mixing this in. I hope I didn't just mess it all up with those egg whites, y'all. I didn't know it was gonna look like this when I put those egg whites in. Alright, we're going to add a cup of heavy cream in here now. Alright, y'all, pour a cup of heavy cream in and we'll whip that up. The birdies are loving the day today. We're just gonna whip this up. Alright, y'all, it's pretty good. Alright, we're gonna fold this whipped cream into the chocolate mixture. Alright, y'all, mix this together. Fold it in. Don't just mix it. We want to keep all that air we incorporated. Look at that. We're gonna let this chill in the fridge for like 5 hours before we consume it. Look at that beauty. Beautiful. Turns to this beautiful color. I'm gonna taste it. Delicious. The dark chocolate makes it super rich, not too sweet. I'm gonna cover this and let it rest in the fridge. I actually don't see too many grains from those egg whites, so that's good. It's smooth but not like perfect. And it's like a little bit of texture, but it's not really noticeable. So that's really good. All right, y'all. I only have a couple strawberries that are good. It's been like 6 or so hours. Look at the texture of this now, y'all. Oh, delicious. You can see a couple little streaks of the whipped cream. So good. So rich. So creamy. So good. Give this mousse a try, y'all. It's absolutely incredible. Dunk your strawberries right in. We appreciate y'all for watching. Check out our channel for more. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bon appetit!